Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I make my mayonnaise at home. So first and foremost, I'm going to be using the main ingredient is 1 egg, vegetable oil, salt to taste, and vinegar, mother vinegar. So I'll be using this bowl and my hand mixer. So let's get started. First, I'm going to be cracking the egg into the bowl. I'm going to be secondly, I'm going to be adding my vegetable
now from club them take the enter dance. My bestie,
I'll be adding the salt.
So no, soon then go one shake panta, no go grief for them, baby.
So I'm going to
I go give you all my love, baby. Anything I do not to secure you, baby. For your love,
I'm going to blend
anybody,
this,
baby. And I want nobody but you, Make them free you. For your love, I go wound them. I go with the love, I go come out their leg, go. Make them free you. Say for your love, I go wound them. I go with the love, would they take cocaine, suppose respect the dealer, I know my words are deep, but girl, I'm for real, I love you, and I wanna show ya, The mother boys want to feel ya, but them no say. Make them free you. For your love, I go wound them. I go with the love, I go come out their leg, go. Make them free
I'll be adding
say for your love, I go
my vinegar,
I go with the love,
tablespoon vinegar into this
It's Victor Eddie, na na na, yeah. Red eye, yeah. For your love, I go wound them. I would they take cocaine, suppose respect the dealer. I know my words are deep, but girl, I'm for real. I love you, and I wanna show ya. The mother boys want to feel ya, but them no say. Make them free you. For your love, I go wound them. I go with the love, I go come out their leg, go. Make them free you. For your love, I go wound them. I go with the love. Now from club them take the enter dance. My bestie, and they won't go so no. Soon then go one shake panta, no go grief for them, baby.
As you can see,
I go give you
it's
all my
ready.
love, baby.
It didn't take me long.
You, baby, for your love, I go proof anybody, baby, and I want nobody but you, Make them free you.
This is how my mayonnaise look. So I'm going to be pouring it into this bowl with a lid, and here it is.
For your love, I go with the love. Would they take cocaine, suppose respect the dealer, I know my words are deep, but girl, I'm for real, I love you, and I wanna show ya, The mother boys want to feel ya, but them no
Here is what my mayonnaise look like.
For your love, I go wound
As you can see, it's very smooth and fluffy.
I go come
And for this recipe, sometimes I add sugar to taste because of my kids, and at times I add chili pepper to taste. At times I mix with ketchup to butter my bread. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you so very much for coming or for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.